I have copied the Starwind software onto my pen drive. Now I will plug the pen drive to my USB. It should appear here, the USB drive. Okay. So I'm going to install the Starwind software. Okay, the installation is completed. And we need to use this license, free license for the Starwind software. Double click on the icon, add host, so it will be this machine. Click OK, and it's going to create the port number. Of course, anyway, we disable the firewall, so that is fine. Any machine can ping 3261 port on this machine to access the shared disk. So now this machine is added as a host. Maximize the window, go to configuration tab, I think somewhere, okay, connect. And the password is Starwind. Okay, now registration. We need to load the license. So here is where we need to select the license file. Okay, now I'm going to create the shared disk. First I will create a disk for SQL Server data. Select the hard disk, because we are going to create the files and make it as a shareable. Select basic, and it's going to be image file. We don't have the file, we are going to create new. Select the file where it's going to be. We can create a directory, images, under image directory so for SQL Server data I will assign 1 GB. So we need to select this, allow multiple concurrent iSCSI connections for clustering. Okay, click next, 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 finish. So we added one drive for the SQL Server data. Now we will create the shared disk for the SQL Server logs, MSTTC and quorum disk. First we'll create the shared disk for the logs. let us assign 512 MB. Okay, we created two shareable disks, one for SQL Server data and another one for SQL Server logs. We will create two more disks, MSDTC. So this will be used by MSDTC service. MSDTC 512 MB recommended. Similarly, we'll create for quorum. Okay, we created 4 shareable disks. Now you can see the 4 images here. Now we will go and make it available on the 2 nodes. On node 2, okay, first we'll go on node 1, log in on this mission, node 1. Here iSCSI initiator, click that. It is not running. Okay, go ahead and start it. Okay, click the discovery tab, add portal, enter the mission that has the iSCSI targets. In our case it will be domain controller. Okay, go to targets tab, you will see the 4 disks that we created. Okay, click log on and select this automatically restore this connection option and click OK. Do the same thing for all other disks. Okay, now we have the 4 disks that are available on this mission. Okay, we need to format that, without which we cannot access that. So let's go to Computer Manager. Click Disk Management. You can see the 4 disks that we added. We can just format and use it. Okay, these are the 4 disks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right click on the first disk, select online, again right click and initialize the disk, and select the default options, MBR, master boot record, click OK. Now this is available. Right click on that and select new simple volume to create the volume and this. Next we will assign, currently we have the drives C and D. We will start from E. So okay, this will be E.